Materials required: white cotton cloth, scissors, white twine, cloth dye color. First, take a piece of white cotton cloth and hold it from the center. Now, pull down the cloth from the other end by pressing it through your thumb and index finger. Take a twine and tie it tightly around the cloth. Now, mix some dye color in hot water in a pan. Dip the dyed cloth in the dye color. Now take out the cloth from the pan and leave it to dry for one whole day. Remove the twine and open the knots once the cloth has dried. Spread out the cloth. This gives you a beautiful Bandhani cloth that is ready to be used in any way you like.